cow, we go.
High five.
High five.
High five.
Holy cow, we go.
High five.
High five.
High five.
We just landed. How was that, Taylor?
That was so fun. That was crazy.
Woo.
Can't feel my face.
What was the best part?
Ooh, I don't know. It was all fun. I think the first initial was so scary. That had to be the funnest part.
Hell yeah, well you rocked it out there,
Thank
girl.
you. Thank you.
Thanks for coming to Skydive Colorado Springs. We'll see you next time.